Hi, good morning, guys. Um, so in this video, I'll be walking you guys through how to upload your Capstone project. Yes. So to upload your Capstone project, very easy to do using Replit. All you just have to do is go to the file. For example, let's assume this is the file um, that holds your Capstone project. All you can do is what click on the invite button. Now, when you click on the invite button, all you just have to do is enter this email was.bitcoin at gmail.com. Now, once you do that, all you just have to do is what? Invite, and that's all. Again, for you to invite, all you have to do is go to the file. Once you get to the file, go on the invite, click on the invite button, and type this email again was.bitcoin at gmail.com. Yeah, that's it. Thank you very much for for that. I hope to hear from you soon.